Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this IHOP copycat Grinch pancake. As we all know, IHOP doesn't do this Grinch pancake anymore, so I decided to do at home. It's the holiday season, kids love it, and it's such a colorful combination. And I will show you the exact tips and tricks how to retain the green color in your pancake. It does not turn brown. We want a nice green pancake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now, that way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started and I will show you exactly how to make this Grinch pancake IHOP style without changing the color. Here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon. If you want a little less, you can add less salt. Now go ahead and just combine them together just to incorporate all the ingredients, dry ingredients together. Now set this aside and we will prepare the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, here I have 1 large egg. Just whisk it a little bit, very lightly. You don't have to overmix it. To this we are going to add 1.5 cup of buttermilk. This is a homemade buttermilk, but if you don't have a buttermilk, you can definitely use milk. Just reduce the quantity of milk a little less. Now go ahead and mix them, and to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter, melted butter. Just mix it to combine them well together. And now we are going to add this wet ingredient to the dry ingredient and go ahead and mix the ingredient gently. You don't want to overmix the pancake mixture. Whenever it comes to pancake mix, you always want it to be gentle, because otherwise the pancake will be very hard and very chewy. You don't want that kind of texture. Now here I have a green gel color. If you want to use the liquid color, you can definitely use that. I'm using a gel, so I'm going to add a little bit at a time until I reach the desired color. Now I'm going to just go ahead and mix them as I add the color, and then I'm going to set this aside for at least 5 minutes for the color to get infused in the batter. And once that is done, I'm already preheating my pan at medium-high heat, and then once it is hot, I'm going to just turn the heat completely to the lower setting. This is very important. If you want to maintain the green color, this is how you prepare your pancake. If it is on high heat or medium heat, it will tend to turn into brown on one side, and other side it will kind of be kind of brown as well. It's not going to have that beautiful green color. Now go ahead and flip it and cover and cook it again for another couple minutes until the pancake is done. Continue to do this same process with the rest of the pancake until your batter is over. Now for the topping, I have added cream cheese topping, and then on top I have regular whipping cream. Look at the beautiful green color. It still retains the color in the pancake. That's exactly what we're looking for. We don't want that brown ugly pancakes, especially then you don't want to call it Grinch pancake. At this point, the first layer I've added actually cream cheese and the whipping cream with sugar. The second layer is the regular frosting with some green color in it, and some sprinkle that is red and green, the holiday season color. Now I'm going to cut this pancake and show you guys how it looks from inside. There is no brown at all, and it is beautifully cooked, and it has beautiful layers. As you can see, it's nice and thick pancake, and it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.